Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we're doing my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of August. This is the base box, and I'm having a little bit of a nostalgic moment right now. So 4 years ago, roughly, I say roughly because I know it was August, but I don't know the exact date, but August 2016, I uploaded my first YouTube video, which was a Boxycharm unboxing. So I don't know, I'm just like, I can't believe I've been doing this for 4 years. It's crazy, but here we are. Also, there's a spider on my window. Okay, we're gonna ignore that and move on to this. So this is $25 a month. You get 5 full-size, sometimes deluxe sample size products, and it comes to you every month. You get like hair care, beauty care, skin care, tools, that kind of stuff. I know a lot of you guys, or not really a lot, like 2 people, asked in my last video what the weight of my box was. I don't know if I'm dumb or blind, but I do not see the weight on the box. So let me know if you guys know where the weight is on this thing, because I do not see it. And I'll let you know what it is from now on, but I don't see it on here. So yes, anyway, maybe it's on the inside. I don't know. Here is the box. There is a little overview. I'm so excited. Okay, and you do get a card in this one. I have variation number 1, so I do know that, if that helps you guys. I don't know. I've never really thought about like looking at the weight of the box, but I don't know where it's at, so let me know. But anyway, first thing in here is this, which is a set of brushes that's upside down. Oh, these are Morphe brushes. Okay, it's a 4-piece eye brush collection. It's the I Got This, spelled E-Y-E. So there's an oval shadow brush, a pro firm blending crease brush, and a tapered mini blender brush, and an angle liner brush. That's cool. I've actually never tried any brushes from Morphe, which is crazy because I know they're like a cult classic. My head is cut off, so is that better? My hair is crazy, but that's really cool. Like, Morphe's a super popular brand. I feel like everyone likes their brushes. Their makeup is kind of hit or miss, but I've never heard anyone say they don't like their brushes. So here, there's this one. This is the, not named, but it's like a crease brush. Then you get the little angled brush. This one's like more of a detailed crease brush. And then you get a packer brush for like shimmery shadows. So that's cool. Let's see how much this retails for. $12? That's not bad at all. Normally when I make that face, it's because I'm shocked at how high the price is, but $12 for 4 brushes, that makes these $3 a piece. That's kind of really cool. That's pretty inexpensive. Next is an eyeshadow primer by Elizabeth Mott, the Thank Me Later. I do really like the Thank Me Later face primer from Elizabeth Mott, but I don't really use eyeshadow primers super often, so I'm not going to swatch this, but I will show you what the packaging looks like. Yeah, this literally looks just like the face primer, except it says eyeshadow primer, but that's cool. The face one is really good. I'm sure this is good too. I just don't want to waste it because I know I'm not going to use it, but 20 bucks for this. I'm pretty sure that's the same price as the regular primer. Okay, I picked this, so I didn't know I was getting this. This is the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I chose the shade, I can't talk today, the shade Cloud. Oh, okay, there's hair in my lipstick. I may have been doing YouTube for 4 years, but I'm still not good at it. But I did know I was getting this because I picked it, and I'm super excited for it. So here is what it looks like. It's a giant bottle of concealer. You can use it to cream contour, all that fun stuff. The wand is weird. Like, you see, it's like triangular. I don't know why I smelled it. I just like the way the concealer smells, but very excited for this. And I think it's going to be a good shade match. They had quite a few shades to choose from. I went with the lightest one with a pinky undertone, or like a neutral pink undertone, so that I could brighten. I think that's going to look nice. I'm excited for that. I do like the Born This Way concealer. Is that what it was called? I don't remember, but their old concealer I did like. Now we have Tristique, a matte for every mood mini matte lip crayon set. This is cute. Oh, I forgot to tell you, the Too Faced retails for $29. I just saw the price of this. This is 58 bucks. I mean, you do get 6 mini lips in here, but that's a lot. 58 bucks. So we've got Nantucket Nude. I don't know if I should swatch all these. I'm going to, but little Tristique, little crayon. I love the way these look. Ooh, very creamy. There's Nantucket Nude. Don't know why I can't say that word, but that's a pretty shade. I think my favorite one, just based off like the outer packaging, is probably Florence Fig. It is the prettiest one in my opinion. I like that mauve-y undertone. Yeah, Florence Fig. I like that one. That would be pretty. This look today. Then we have Barcelona Bright Berry. I love the word Barcelona. I don't know why, but it's a pretty word. There's that. A lot more pinky than berry, I would say. We have Chili, however you want to say it, red. I don't really wear lip products like this when they're like brighter colors, so I'm kind of hesitant to swatch these, but I do want to show you the colors. So there's that one. Belize Bordeaux is like a berry, like a darker blackened berry color. So they're very, very creamy. They're actually swatching a lot lighter than I thought they would based on the bullet, which is fine. And the last one is called Tuscan Wine. This is going to be the deepest shade in the collection here. Yeah, that's pretty. I feel like Bordeaux Berry and Belize Bright, Very Bright are kind of similar. There's that. Again, that retailed for $58. And the last thing in here is by Violet Voss. This is the Essentials 2 palette. Really pretty. I like Violet Voss shadows. I only have one palette from them, and I don't reach for it super often, I'll be honest, because it is kind of a neutral palette, but I really like their formula, so I kept it just to have their formula. But this is the Essential 2's Pro Series Eyeshadow and Pressed Pigment Palette. Ooh, okay. So it's got like a neutral row and then some colorful stuff down at the bottom. Immediately drawn to those purples, but I also really like that blue color. So let's do Wild Orchid, Blue Sky. Well, let's do Copper. That's my dog's name. Ooh. Yeah, that's really pretty. This retails for $36. This is a pretty good box, you guys. Like, I'm not like, I don't want to say it's like the best box ever because I don't think it is, but it's really good. I think the only thing that I'm not like excited about is the eyeshadow primer. And if you use eyeshadow primer, I'd be excited about this because I do like Elizabeth Mott primers. So yeah, quick recap. We got the primer. Not excited about it again. The eyeshadow palette, which I do think it's kind of cool that we got a primer with an eyeshadow palette because it's a good, like, actually, honestly, like, the eyeshadow brushes and the palette and the primer, it's a good, it makes sense. It's like a good box in terms of, I don't know the word, like cohesiveness. I don't know if that's a word either, but that's what I'm getting at. The Morphe brushes, I'm very excited to try just because, you know, I've never tried a Morphe brush. And the lipsticks, I'm excited about, question mark. Like, they're pretty and they're very creamy. I just don't, I'm excited for like these three and not excited for these three, I think is what I'm finding out, but that's fine. I will use them. We'll see how it goes. And then I'm obviously very excited about the concealer because I did pick it. So that's it. Let me know down below what you guys got. Do you love it? Do you hate it? That kind of thing. And let me know, how long have you been a subscriber for? Like, if you're already a subscriber, or is this your first video of mine? Because I've been doing this for 4 years and like, I think it'd be kind of interesting to know. Like, I know I have a couple people that like, they've been with me since the beginning and I do recognize that. So I think it's cool to know. But let me know, like, how long have you been part of the fam? That fun stuff. And that's everything. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe before you go, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.